Hi children, welcome you all to the next class. In today's class, we are going to see about adverbs. So the synopsis for today's class is definition for adverb, types of adverbs and examples. Adverb definition. So what is an adverb? An adverb is defined as a word that describes a verb and tells us how a thing is done, when it is done, where it is done and to what extent it is done. So it answers to all the above questions and describes a verb. In other words, adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective or an adverb itself. Examples: he ran quickly. In this sentence, quickly is the adverb. She spoke softly. In this sentence, softly is the adverb. So next we'll see about the types of adverbs. Types of adverbs. There are 5 types of adverbs. First is degree or adverb of degree. Second is adverbs of frequency. Third is adverbs of manner. Fourth is adverbs of place. And fifth is adverbs of time. So in detail we will see all the 5 types. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tells us the degree or extent to which something happens. It answers to the question how much or to what extent or to what degree. Example: Mary is very beautiful. In this sentence, very is said to be as adverbs of degree. It tells you the degree of how Mary is beautiful. It tells you the degree or to which extent she is beautiful. She is very beautiful. The next sentence, she entirely agrees with him. In this sentence, entirely will be the adverbs of degree. It tells you how much does she agree with him. It shows entirely. So entirely is said to be as the degree or extent to something that happens. So next type is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency expresses how often something takes place. In other words, it explains intensity of occurrence that an event happens. Example: she always wakes up at 6 a.m. In this sentence, always is said to be as adverbs of frequency. I've just given a tabulation below. It shows the adverbs of frequency and the percentage. For example, if the incident doesn't happen, that is said to be as never. So you use the adverb of frequency never there. In some cases, some instances or some incidents will happen for about 90%. So that is said to be as usually. The adverb of frequency used should be usually. And always is said to be for about 100%. That particular action or that particular incident or that particular occurrence will happen for about 100%. So the adverb of frequency is always. So the next is adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tells us the manner or way in which something happens. It answers to the question how. For example, he speaks slowly. In this sentence, what is the noun here? Speaks. So it describes the mannerism of the action. How does he speaks? He speaks slowly. So slowly is the adverb of manner. The next sentence, James Bond drives his car fast. In this sentence, fast is said to be as the adverb of manner. How does James Bond drives his cars? He drives his cars fast, right? So fast is said to be as the mannerism and that is said to be as adverb of manner. The next type is adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tells us the place where something happens. That is the exact location. It answers to the question where. That is the place. Example: please sit here. Where should I sit? It responds to the question where should I sit? Here. Here is said to be as the adverb of place. They looked everywhere. In this sentence, everywhere is said to be the adverb of place because it states the place. Everywhere is the place. Where did they look? They look everywhere. So it is said to be as the adverbs of place. And the next type is adverb of time. Adverb of time tells us something about the time that something happens. Any incident that happens, but it tells you about the time. When it happened, it always answers to the question when. Example, he came yesterday. In this sentence, yesterday is the adverb of time. So it answers to the question, when did he come? It responds as yesterday. So yesterday is said to be as adverb of time. The next example, I want it now. In this sentence, now is said to be as adverb of time. When do I want it? Now. It says now. So now is the time, right? So it says adverb of time. And in the last slide, I have given few examples for all the 5 types of adverbs, and also the adverbs that should be used for the types. So adverbs of time, the adverbs that should be used are already, ago, before, never, yet, yesterday, and few examples given for the adverbs of time. Similarly, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of place, adverb of manner, and adverb of degree. The second column represents all the adverbs that should be used for the types and also the corresponding examples. So thank you so much, children, for all your time. Hope you all understood what is adverb, the types of adverbs, and the examples. Thank you, children. Stay safe. Bye.